Hi everyone, Loxone Middle East. Today we welcome you for a very special session here at our Loxone campus. We have Mr. Selva Kumaran all the way from Qatar joining us. So today we will be talking about Loxone Inside partner journey. So he is a very fresh Loxone partner from Qatar directly. And today he has witnessed one of the most sustainable and most energy efficient building in all over the world, which is our Loxone campus. So I want Mr. Selva Kumar to first introduce himself. So please.
Yeah, myself Selva Kumaran. I represent a company called Zillion Solutions. We are the technology partners for multiple solution providers of security and automation space in Qatar. We operate with all the government as well as the private sector, commercial sector and residential customers who are actually looking for specific solutions. When I was looking for certain challenges what my customers face on the smart automation side, so we were trying to figure out a partner who can able to efficiently handle their challenges in terms of providing a solution. Then I found Loxone. So when I saw the Loxone, I actually wanted to have a practical experience what Loxone can do, help us in terms of providing a solution.
Just so you don't tell them the whole story, I want to tell your journey as well. So we met around 4 months back. Your engineer contacted us, Prem Kumar. The journey started with a project. And from the business perspective, you were expecting something in home automation industry. Exactly. And tell us a little bit about your specific solution, because you are specialized in certain technologies.
Yeah. So this particular topic of Loxone has been introduced by my engineer Prem Kumar, who has have a hands-on experience Loxone in the past in his previous assignments. So one particular customer is actually looking for a smart home system for his facility. Then I have my existing choices. Then we were trying to figure out how to map this existing solution with that particular customer. Apparently it was like a mix and match. We cannot able to exactly meet the customer requirements. Then Prem was talking about Loxone. Then I gone through the product presentations of Loxone. It looks interesting. Then we get into the call and we
So
explain.
Prem Kumar is the engineer who will be in future the trainer and installer and everything. So when we talk about particularly Loxone, before that, you had a campus tour. What motivated you all the way, because you are all the way in Qatar, what motivated you to becoming or visualizing this campus? Because we had a call and you said to me like, okay, I love this technology, but I would like to witness something special, as you are talking about your campus a lot. So
specifically it is my personal interest to come down to Loxone campus and understand, because I have been in this industry for 20 plus years. So we have seen so many other products, similar products, or somebody is capable of doing something. But what you see in the presentations, what you see in the seminars, or what you see in the trade shows may not able to fulfill the full needs, because I wanted to promote this particular product as well as to represent this brand in the Qatar market. So I wanted to have a hands-on feel or the real experience of the products by coming into your facility directly. That's the intent. Okay. But originally when I came, it was looking at only the home automation part. When I come here, it is beyond home automation. There are so many other things. There are so many other smart building initiatives which we can able to deliver to our customers using Loxone.
Yeah, because I told you, you will be full with surprises here. So when we were initially talking about Qatar or Middle East in general, Loxone Middle East is growing pretty fast. We are establishing a pretty high growth in that market. And where do you see Loxone in Qatar market, especially when you compare all the neighboring countries like Saudi, UAE, Qatar, Kuwait? So how do you see this potential technology? Because you were explaining us about what you used to do, and so how it is different.
Yeah, see the existing offerings or existing technologies what we have delivered to our customer using different partners, different product lines are limited to one particular segment. Okay, when it comes to the security product, or it is when it comes to the guest room automation system, or when it comes to the lighting control, or when it comes to the power management, energy management, or something, or the PV charging, whatever I have seen in Loxone, these are all individual packages. Like in a different vendors, it becomes very difficult for our customer to manage multiple partner products and do a comprehensive maintenance or doing a complete integrated approach. It was a big challenge for all our customers. So with Loxone, I can see it is in a single integrated approach we can able to do. Like a single platform can manage multiple use cases of a customer, and you can able to provide a turnkey solution. This looks much lucrative for me and to represent to my customer also, like in a single solution who can handle all the use cases of a smart building.
Can you give us an example about a situation? Because I believe many of the existing companies who have heard about us but haven't really known us might be having the same problem that you have, because it's mostly kind of a mentality that we have. It's our core value that we are a solution oriented company. We only talk about solution. So can you give us an example about how you had an existing problem, and now after having or come down here and understanding the whole concept, how it looks different, because you are a ELV specialist, access control specialist. So
yeah, see, there is one thing, like now when it comes to the security products, okay, security products are limited to certain technologies, certain technology of reader, certain technology of controller, something like that. Okay, the same controllers or something cannot be used for a lighting control application. Okay, it cannot be used for a energy saving application. For an example, it is a core access control security product. It works only for the card. Okay, when it comes to the energy management or something, you have to buy the different controller, automation controller, which may not able to handle the lighting control part of it.
yeah.
Or you have the interface with the daily lighting or KNX controls or something, which is not possible. But one unique property I have seen in Loxone, everything is controlled with this mini server. Okay, the single server, the single controller can able to manage all the use cases, like name it security or lighting control or any energy management application. Yeah. All this can be managed. This gives you more control. Okay, in terms of customer not buying so many pieces of hardware which needs so many power, in network infrastructure, cabling, all these things. Okay, when I see this particular facility, the entire plant was entire building was managed by a small set of controllers, which gives you a lot of reduction in number of I/O points. Yeah. Okay, when it comes to the other applications, other brands which we have dealt, it's a huge number of I/O points. Whether it doesn't create any much value for the customer, because the hardware footprint is more than the amount of power and energy network infrastructure required for this one is more. When it comes to Loxone, it is very compact. The name serves like a compact server. I can see like a compact controllers which can handle most of these use cases of a customer in a single controller. Yeah. So that gives you more, I would say, like a commercially viable solution for a customer, and it will avoid all your sizing or back office infrastructure for this thing. These are all much reduced. When it comes to the small, either it is a commercial building or a home automation or a smart building, a smart home, the customer needs these applications, these devices, but it doesn't need to, he is not interested in investing much money in terms of doing the back office backbone infrastructure. So with the Loxone, the amount of cabling, the amount of network infrastructure required, it is all less. Okay, yeah. When it comes to the managing the entire building, I have seen this plant room with a single controller managing the entire building operation. This is amazing.
Yeah. And what was the biggest surprise? Because I know that when Prem told you about the visit and we had the initial meeting and you were looking from the home automation perspective, I'm sure you were not expecting this building with big headquarters and this kind of complex application handled very easily. So what was the biggest surprise in whole of the campus for you? Or what is the one thing you really liked?
Yeah, the one thing I liked in this entire building, you can able to map the entire, like for an example, whether it is a office building or a hotel hospitality environment, whether it is a warehouse environment or whether it is like the wellness space. Okay, I was really liking this swimming pool concept. Okay, so the one which gives you more. This is like you can able to map the every use cases of a different building verticals into the same platform. This is something interesting.
Yeah, because this is our test laboratory, because we are known for our innovation and we are the first testers, and then we are giving our products and services to you. And as we say that you were talking about a lot of hardware, we call ourselves software. Of course, we manufacture and we are providing hardware as well, but software is our strength.
But you are selling this software as a strength. I agree, the software is there, but the entire hardware portfolio is also impressive.
Yeah, it is.
It is like you from it your speaker systems to your lighting control systems to your access control portfolio. Everything is amazing. Like it doesn't need any much integration complexity with the third-party hardware purchase. Okay, this gives you more complete freedom in terms of long-term maintenance support for my customer, because being a technology partner, a system integrator, end of the day customer, we need to do a lot of support after the sales. Okay, when it goes integrating with the third-party hardware, when there is different developments happening, it is very difficult for us to balance the maintenance and maintaining the level of support.
Yeah.
So when it comes everything from the same vendor, it becomes much easier for our customer as well as us to maintain it well.
And also it is cost effective because the supply is from single source. So another thing that, sorry for my voice, you are also partially, you had experience in India of about 20-25 years, and you are very well versed with the Indian market as well. And Loxone is very actively growing in India as well. How do you see our technology in both of these countries? Because the challenges in both of the countries from your perspective, I was hearing back then, is also similar. So how do you see this as well working?
I think this India has a huge potential in terms of hospitality sector because of the tourism industry in India is growing always. Okay, I think that you have a niche products which is also have can able to fit into the hospitality segment. Okay, I think this particular area we can able to focus in India also. Okay, because the hospitality sector is keep growing, and you have nice products in terms of the technology backup. I think if you can able to do the hotel and hospitality industry, that will be a good area to grow in our business in
We have a hospitality business ourselves, Loxone Campus, so we are specialized in this. And last but not the least, what are your expectations completely fulfilled as what we are talking, and how you see the journey forward with Loxone from now on?
Yeah, I am to simply summarize, I am much happy about the product. Okay, because I was traveling all the way from Qatar. It's a long journey to when initially Prem was telling Selva, you need to go to only to the headquarter campus or something, because I thought, okay, when I was searching, it was a different location, but it makes sense for me. Okay, I feel like now. All the way I traveled and see, unless if I go into some other place, I may not have this experience. Okay, now I feel like happy to come here to witness the entire demo setup, the experience center, digital experience tour. Everything is good. So now I can able to relate whatever I have seen here to go back to my market and address the specific customer needs. That means.
And what would you advise to the customers, to the companies who are like not aware, who are not knowing this kind of technology?
Yeah, see, when this is typically most of the customers, when you talk about something on the presentation or something, he may not able to realize. Okay, one thing is like what he has seen, what he has really witnessed, the way I see it today, because I was also there in the industry for some time, but when you look in the paper, okay, it is also similar product, somehow I have something I have seen in here, there or something, because I worked in Siemens and Honeywell for 20 years. So we know the products. But there makes some little bit of difference. Okay, this is important. Okay, so the customers, if they can come here, if they can, I make sure that my customers travel over here and witness the product, so that they can able to realize the potential on the project.
We welcome all of you. So whoever wishes to come, we are ready to make you feel the experience of the campus as well. And you can also give them the digital experience store back in your office as well. So that is also one of the things. So thank you so much, Selva, for trusting us and for being a partner in Qatar. And we wish you all the best with your journey. And yes, me and my team will support you to do the best.
Thanks,
And
thanks
your
for your
customers.
time. Thanks for Loxone team. Thank you.
Thank you.